Okay, Nilanjan, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm good.
I don't know like how does the trial session go? This is the trial. This is my trial session.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so I
in the
don't.
trial session, I will be there asking you of what your requirement is. Why are you here on this platform?
Okay.
What is your problem and why do you want to improve it? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And those sessions, those documents you will get further in the consecutive sessions. As this is a trial, this won't be counted. Further, you'll be having the first session, second session. So
Hmm.
by that they'll be sending you those documents. Within that document there'll be those words for the day, vocabulary, and some exercises for the learners.
Hmm.
So many people here want to improve their vocabulary too. So
Hmm.
the document helps them in that case. And that topic of discussion will be travel if you like it. Otherwise, we can talk about anything that you want.
You have spoken with several Indians till now.
Yeah,
Many whose videos I have seen on YouTube, and many except like
other
other
than
than
those. Yeah.
yeah.
Alright.
If you were to say that these are the most commonly made mistakes by
Okay.
Indian learners,
Okay.
okay, five of such mistakes, what would they be?
Hmm. Okay. So the first that comes to my mind right now is which not only on the this app, but many of my friends and people around me do make this mistake is that they use the third form of verb after did. So when we are talking about the past, so if I want to say that I did go there, I did not go there. So what they'll say is I did went there, I did not went there. I think you must have come across this a lot,
So much, so much. In
right?
school, especially.
In school and also now in college, because I'm in Delhi University. So in Delhi University, there's like a very contrasting group of people. So you'll have every kind from people from every school, as in state boards and Hindi medium schools, CBSE, ICSE, everybody is there. So I've come across many people in my college, in my post graduation. So people, and on this app, I must tell you that this is the most common mistake, and this I have to correct in every session, almost every session. So yeah, this one that after did, you do not ever use the past form of the verb.
I
You
did not
just
eat, I did not slept.
exactly. And that too, with many people who are already from English medium schools, English medium colleges, and good environment around make this mistake.
Yes.
So this is the most common mistake. And also people are very much confused in uh, whether to use has, have, had. So they are
Mhm.
very confused in these things. And the passive voices, the participle thing, past participle, and the past continuous thing. So there are many speakers who make these mistakes also.
Pertaining to different tenses that are there.
Tenses,
Yes.
exactly. But on this app, there has been a lot like people who are not even they've never spoken in English. They are from Hindi medium schools. They're from villages. They've never had this environment of speaking in English, and they're trying to learn. That what I think is really amazing that they do want to learn English and they join these platforms and they have this urge to succeed in speaking this language. So I can't say that they make these mistakes because they do not know the structure.
Yeah.
So we
They
have
have
to
not
tell
learned
them,
that particular thing yet. They are just
yeah,
trying to speak, I mean, say whatever
yeah.
they can.
You and I, we have gone to English medium schools, and it is something we got served. We did not have we did not ever make this effort to learn English because it's natural for us that yeah we had this environment. But people like that, so yeah, they do this. With them, we have to go on like the basic structure, basic sentences. That's what.
Okay,
So
I think we are running out of time. So that's like that was that. Those were like two mistakes, I think. Can
yeah,
you
the
come
most
up with
common
three
ones.
other mistakes quickly?
Uh,
Can you
please
come
come
up
up.
with three other mistakes? Like
Other
any
mistakes. Yeah, the pronunciation thing. So they make a lot of pronunciation errors, and I can't come up with one. And I know one of my learners. So he has this thing of saying, like, if I want to say that there's no problem, when you ask me for something, I'll be like, yeah, Nilanjan, there's no problem. So what he'll say is, there's no any problem.
Okay, okay.
No any
Well,
problem.
yeah,
If you ask
all those
me,
words before
uh,
all those words, adding those quantifiers like any, some, little, and all
yeah,
those.
and here it's not required. I mean, you just want to say no problem. I asked him about his friends, so he was like, there is no any girl.
Okay.
So he wanted to say no girl, there's no girl, but he said no any girl. So I don't know what thing this is, but after every word which is he wants to say after no, he adds no any. So yeah.